You have to try out this super easy protective style. I've been seeing these two styles on TikTok and I decided to combine them and it turned out so cute. It only took me about 30 minutes and it can last for up to a week. But before we get into it, I'm kinzeyrae. Welcome back to my channel. Here I do beginner friendly hair tutorials, wig installs, and wig reviews. So definitely hit that like and subscribe button and let me help you save some money by doing your hair at home. Now let's get into the details of this style and a step-by-step tutorial. So I started off by parting my hair down the middle, and this is on freshly washed and conditioned hair, and I left my hair a little damp just so it's easier to work with. Then I just parted off a small little triangle section of hair because this is going to be the piece that we pull over and just make the part look like how they did in the picture. Next I just added some moisturizer and gel to my hair just to get this section nice and slick down. And if you know, you know, y'all, I live by my Eco Styler gel. I use the green olive oil kind and I've been using it for years, and it gets my hair so slick and my hair literally stays in place the whole day. So definitely go and grab you some if you haven't already. After I get that section into a ponytail, I'm gonna go ahead and just detangle it, and then I'm gonna braid it. And I have fine hair, so whenever I do my natural hairstyle, sometimes I like to add in like extra hairs. In this video I'll be adding in some clip-ins from BetterLength, and we'll get into the details for those later on in the video, but for now I'm just braiding up my hair because I'm going to be wrapping clip-ins around the braids. And after I'm done with this section, I just went ahead and did the same thing to the other side. I'm going to go ahead and put it in a ponytail. After I have it in a ponytail, I'm going to just take this small braid in the front of loose and wet it, moisturize it, and then I'm going to combine it with the other ponytail. So I'm just bringing it across, and I'm just going to use another rubber band to secure that and have it all together with that second ponytail. After I have it nice and sleek and laid down, I'm just detangling this ponytail and putting this one in a braid as well. Now let's get into the clip-ins. I'm using BetterLength's Kinky curly clip-ins in 16 inches, and these are their seamless clip-ins, which I love, especially for hairstyles like this. If you're familiar with tape-ins, it's pretty much the same thing, except you won't be taping them in, you'll be using the clips to clip them in. And to me, it's a lot safer for your hair because I did try tape-ins one time and I don't really know if I would do it again because I don't know, girl. This is just a lot easier, and to me it's a lot safer for your hair. So I would definitely recommend checking out these seamless clip-ins. I have been using them for a few months now and they are my go-to. Like I said, I do have fine hair, so I like to add in hair, and these you cannot detect them at all. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my hair. I am adding in different rows and they come in different lengths and sizes. So now that I've gotten my hair nice and full, I did leave a little row out at the front, and I'm gonna have that as leave out to cover up the track. I'm just doing my two ponytails in the front, and for this I literally just took the clip in, I clipped it onto the top of the braid, and then I'm just wrapping it around. And this is why I really say I love the seamless clip-ins, because you can do a lot with them. Like I'm doing this whole ponytail and it's like you can barely even see it, and it's not bulky or anything like that. So I just wrapped it around the base of my ponytail, and then when I got to the end I just like clipped the hair onto itself and it like stayed in place. So after that I took a small piece of hair and wrapped it around the base, and this helps to secure it and it helps to hide the clip in. And do y'all see that little silver hair that's peeking out like literally in the center of my head? It is killing me, y'all. But the only reason I haven't cut it is because I heard that silver hair is just like good luck, so I don't want to cut it and then have bad luck. So I'm like, I'm gonna just let it thrive. But it's literally smack dead in the center of my hair, and y'all know I'll be wearing my middle part, so anytime I do a middle part it's just sitting there like literally it be sticking up. I be trying to put gel and everything on it and it don't cooperate. So yeah, say hello to my little silver hair. I guess she not going nowhere. So after I finished with this one, I went ahead and applied the clip-ins to my other ponytail. Now I'm just going to go throughout my hair and just detangle it, define the curls, and just get it styled how I want to. Also, I'm taking down my leave out and just trying to blend that in with the clip-ins. So I will catch back up with you guys when I'm doing my edges and finishing up the look. Alright y'all, here is how the look turned out, and I love it so much. This is such a cute and easy protective style. Like I said, it can last you for up to a week, and it only took about 30 minutes to do. And I know y'all see that little silver hair sticking up, y'all. She do not cooperate. But again, the hair that I used in today's video is from BetterLength, and it's their seamless clip-ins in 16 inches, and it's the Kinky curly texture. I have all of the information for this hair down in my description box. But yes, I definitely think that you should try out this style. Leave me a comment below if you do try it out, or if you make a video or anything, definitely tag me on TikTok because I'm always on there. Let me know how you like this style, and also you guys can give me suggestions on different styles that you would like to see me try out and do a tutorial on. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.